Today we're diving into the versatile world of the Cuisinart Panini Press, stainless steel griddler, a 5-in-1 marvel that functions as a contact grill, panini press, full grill, full griddle, and a half grill, half griddle. This incredible kitchen companion features removable and reversible 11 by 9-inch nonstick cooking plates that are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze while also allowing grease to drain for healthier cooking. Equipped with red and green indicator lights, the griddler ensures easy operation, and it comes with a dishwasher-safe scraping tool and an instruction manual filled with gourmet recipes to spark your culinary creativity. The sturdy panini-style handle with a hinged floating cover adjusts to the thickness of your food, while the selector knob lets you choose between grill or griddle functions, and the adjustable temperature controls give you the precision you need for perfect results every time. Plus, the integrated drip tray efficiently collects grease and is easy to store, keeping your kitchen tidy and organized. With a limited 3-year warranty and BPA-free construction, the Cuisinart Griddler is as reliable as it is innovative. So, whether you're grilling, pressing, or griddling, this all-in-one appliance is designed to elevate your cooking experience to new heights.